what's the benefit of this tea? The benefit of this tea is for you to get better. All right, it's for you to get better. Yeah, that's the whole benefit of drinking thyme tea. Thyme with ginger and lemon, cloves is for you to get better. If you believe in natural stuff, then this will help you at home. All right. Yeah. And this also do help you to reduce inflammation, guys, because inflammation, that's what build up in our body. And you know what I mean? And it helps to strengthen your immune system. Yeah. So if you're looking for something naturally, this goes really well for you.